In the ever-evolving world of digital photography, Nikon is poised to make significant waves with its upcoming camera releases. From high-resolution mirrorless flagships to innovative compact designs, the company's roadmap for 2025 showcases a compelling mix of technological innovation and practical improvements across their entire range. The anticipated Nikon Z7III is set to make a strong statement in the high-resolution mirrorless market in 2024. Building upon its predecessors, the new model is rumored to feature a groundbreaking 60-megapixel sensor, positioning it as a direct competitor to Sony's A7RV and Canon's upcoming R5 Mark II. This significant resolution increase from the previous 45-megapixel sensor demonstrates Nikon's commitment to meeting the demands of detail-oriented photographers. While maintaining its focus on landscape and high-resolution photography, the Z7III is expected to offer enhanced video capabilities, including 4K recording at 60 frames per second and Full HD at 120 frames per second. The autofocus system will see significant improvements, particularly in subject recognition for people, animals, birds, and vehicles, though it may not quite match the action-oriented Z8's capabilities. This strategic differentiation helps maintain clear product positioning within Nikon's lineup. The camera's buffer capacity is expected to see substantial improvements, allowing photographers to capture longer bursts of high-resolution images. The rumored ability to capture 20 RAW or 30 JPEG images per second represents a significant leap forward in processing capability. Additionally, the inclusion of advanced video features such as 10-bit output through HDMI caters to the growing hybrid shooter market. Priced between $3,000 and $4,000, the Z7III strikes a balance between advanced features and accessibility. The camera will maintain F-mount lens compatibility via an adapter, making it an attractive option for both new users and those transitioning from Nikon's DSLR ecosystem. This pricing strategy positions it competitively against similar high-resolution models from other manufacturers. Nikon appears poised to challenge Sony's groundbreaking A93 with its own high-speed flagship camera, the Z9H. Building on their legacy of professional cameras, this new model promises to push the boundaries of what's possible in action photography. Early reports suggest the Z9H will feature Nikon's first global shutter sensor, matching Sony's recent innovation. This technology captures the entire image simultaneously, eliminating the rolling shutter distortions that can plague fast-moving subjects. The global shutter implementation would revolutionize sports, action, and wildlife photography by enabling distortion-free capture of rapid motion and allowing flash synchronization at any shutter speed. To achieve the extremely fast sensor readout required for global shutter functionality, the Z9H is rumored to feature a lower resolution of 20 to 24 megapixels, down from the Z9's 45 megapixels. However, following Sony's approach, Nikon might include a high-resolution composite mode, capable of producing 240 megapixel images when speed isn't the priority. Perhaps most impressively, rumors suggest the Z9H could achieve continuous shooting speeds of up to 120 frames per second with full autofocus and auto-exposure capabilities, a massive leap from the current Z9's 30 frames per second. This unprecedented speed would give sports photographers new possibilities for capturing split-second moments of action. While most details remain speculative, the Z9H appears targeted at professional sports photographers who need to capture fast-paced action with absolute precision. The combination of global shutter technology, potential lightning-fast continuous shooting, and professional-grade features could help Nikon reassert itself at the cutting edge of sports and action photography. As Sony leads the way with their AA93 stacked sensor technology, Nikon's response with the Z9H demonstrates their continued commitment to innovation in the professional camera market. With its cutting-edge features and performance capabilities, the Z9H could set new benchmarks for professional sports and action photography. The Nikon Z92 is generating considerable buzz, particularly due to its rumored incorporation of a global shutter, a feature that could revolutionize professional photography. Expected to launch in late 2024 or early 2025, this flagship camera will compete directly with the anticipated Canon R1 and Sony A9 III, potentially reshaping the professional camera market. At its core, the Z92 is rumored to feature a 20.4 megapixel sensor with an impressive 0.4 millisecond readout speed. The global shutter implementation would eliminate rolling shutter distortion, making it ideal for sports, wildlife, and action photography. This technology represents a significant advancement in camera design, offering unprecedented precision in capturing fast-moving subjects. Perhaps most notably, the camera is expected to achieve flash synchronization speeds of up to 1/2000th of a second, a significant advantage for studio photographers. This capability opens up new creative possibilities in controlled lighting situations and could make the Z92 particularly attractive to fashion and commercial photographers. Powered by dual Expeed 7 processors, the Z92 is positioned to deliver exceptional speed and performance for both still photography and video recording. While some might have expected to see the newer Expeed 8 processors, the dual Expeed 7 configuration should provide more than enough processing power for most professional applications. The Z52, expected to arrive before year's end, appears to be taking a more conservative approach to innovation. While maintaining the 20.9 megapixel sensor from its predecessor, the camera will receive several meaningful updates, including the newer Expeed 7 image processor and a USB-C port, bringing it in line with current connectivity standards. One significant improvement is the addition of a fully articulating screen, making it more appealing to vloggers and content creators. This update addresses one of the main criticisms of the original Z50 and demonstrates Nikon's awareness of the growing content creation market. However, the decision to stick with the same sensor resolution has raised some eyebrows, especially considering competitors are pushing boundaries with higher megapixel counts. The timing of this release is particularly interesting, coming at a point when the APS-C market is seeing increased competition from manufacturers like Fujifilm with their 40 megapixel sensors. While the Z52's modest approach might disappoint some, its updates could make it a more well-rounded option for enthusiast photographers and content creators. The rumored Nikon Z90 represents an exciting development in Nikon's APS-C lineup. Positioned above the Z50, this enthusiast-oriented camera is expected to feature a 33 megapixel sensor, marking a significant resolution increase over current Nikon APS-C models. This positioning fills a crucial gap in Nikon's lineup and could attract photographers seeking high performance in a compact, crop sensor body. Key features are rumored to include 4K/60p video recording, in-body image stabilization, a first for Nikon's APS-C mirrorless cameras, and impressive continuous shooting at 20 frames per second in RAW with a 1000-frame buffer. The inclusion of IBIS is particularly noteworthy, as it would greatly enhance the camera's low light and handheld shooting capabilities. The Z90's potential specifications make it a versatile tool for both still photography and videography. The high-resolution sensor combined with fast, continuous shooting capabilities could make it particularly appealing to wildlife photographers who appreciate the added reach of the APS-C format. The Nikon Z represents an intriguing departure from traditional designs, embracing a rangefinder-style form factor, reminiscent of classic cameras like the Nikon Z2. This compact full-frame camera features a unique challenge, incorporating the large Z mount into a smaller, more elegant body, a technical achievement that demonstrates Nikon's engineering prowess. Rumors suggest the inclusion of a hybrid viewfinder, combining optical and electronic elements, potentially offering a unique shooting experience that bridges traditional and modern photography. This innovative approach could give the ZS an advantage over other contemporary rangefinder-inspired models. Expected to be priced between $3,000 and $4,000, the ZS could launch before the 2024 Summer Olympics, targeting enthusiasts who appreciate both heritage and innovation. The camera is expected to support advanced video features, potentially including 4K/120p recording, making it a versatile tool for both stills and video. The final entry in Nikon's upcoming lineup is the anticipated successor to the remarkable P1000. The original model's 24 to 3000 mm focal range set new standards for super zoom cameras. And while it's difficult to imagine surpassing this reach, Nikon may surprise us with the P1002. Expected later this year, this bridge camera update may focus on incremental improvements rather than revolutionary changes. While maintaining its niche appeal, enhancements could include better image quality, improved stabilization, and possibly even better low-light performance. The P1002 represents Nikon's commitment to serving specialized photography needs, particularly in wildlife and long-distance photography. Nikon's upcoming camera lineup demonstrates the company's commitment to innovation across multiple market segments. From the high-resolution Z7III to the revolutionary Z92, and from the practical Z52 to the unique ZS, each camera serves a specific purpose and user base. This diverse range of offerings suggests that Nikon is not only maintaining its competitive edge, but also exploring new possibilities in camera design and functionality.